Hello, this is Dr. Shah, and I wanted to do a quick instructional video on how to inject peptides. It's actually a really easy process. You just follow the same simple steps every time you do an injection. So we're going to start off first with our peptide bottle. It'll come in a bottle such as this. It looks like a regular prescription bottle. And you're going to open the bottle carefully because there's a glass vial inside. Drop the glass vial into your hand and make sure you're reading the name of the peptide that is the correct peptide that you're supposed to be injecting. This particular peptide is called thymosin alpha, and this is an immune boosting peptide. So what we're going to do first every single time is we're going to take an alcohol pad, just a simple alcohol pad, and open it. And you're going to wipe down the top of the bottle. Once that's done, you're going to take your needle. Now this is a specific needle made just for peptide injection. The most it can get into is 30 units. This particular needle is labeled 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30, and you're going to be filling it to 15. So take the top off on both sides. You can see here this is the plunger, and this is the needle section. You're then going to put the needle into the bottle, like so. You're going to turn the whole thing around, and there's a little bit of air inside the needle. You're going to push that into the bottle, and then you're going to draw this up to 15. Now you have to really watch to make sure that you actually have fluid in there because the air and the clear fluid look very similar. And now we've drawn up 15 units of this thymosin peptide. You then pull the bottle off, and now this is ready to inject. And our wonderful model here, Michelle, will show you how to inject this in your skin. There you go. So first thing she's going to do is I'm going to give her an alcohol pad, and she's going to quickly alcohol off the area of the injection. So first she's going to take an alcohol swab and pinch her skin and just clean the area that she's going to inject. You want to inject on the side of your abdomen. Here's the needle. And just slowly put the needle in your skin. There you go. And push the plunger slowly. There you go. You can inject it over 5 or 10 seconds. Pull it out, and usually there's no bleeding or anything like that, so you don't even need a Band-Aid. And that's it. That's how you inject the thymosin peptide.